Dear learners, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I hope all of you quite well. This is Dalia Sultana, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. So, today I would like to take a computer class of class 3. So, dear learners, in our previous class we learned multiple choice question 1 to 15. Today we will learn multiple choice question, that is same topic 16 to 13. Okay, so let's topic our question. Question number 16. And before that, lecture number 16, homework 14, topic multiple choice question. Question 16. What direction should Captain Logo give to make the turtle reach home? So there are four options: RCH home, reach home, RH home. So our correct option, reach home. Where was another treasure kept? On the branch of mango, option number B, inside the hollow trunk, in the forest, near the mango tree. So I hope, dear learners, already you know what is our correct answer. So inside the hollow trunk. Which direction should Captain Logo give to turtle to turn right? Turn right, option B, TNRT, that is short form, RIGST, right, and D, all. So which one is correct? Option number turn right, A, no, right, C. The white portion in Tux Paint window is known as the drawing area, canvas, C, color box, D, none of this. So the right portion in Tux Paint window is known as drawing canvas. Who found treasure in forest? Option number A, Captain Logo and two bunnies. Option number B, two bunnies and turtle. C, Captain Logo and turtle. D, all of them. So which one is correct? And we find answer will be C, Captain Logo and turtle. Question number 21. Tux Paint is interesting software for drawing and coloring, writing, listening, all of this. So we know Tux Paint is interesting software for drawing and coloring. Which of the following is a part of Tux Paint? Ribbon, tool menu, drawing canvas, none of this. So which of the following Tux Paint is always referred to drawing canvas? We find eraser tool in toolbox, color box, ribbon, none of this. So we find eraser tool in, that is so easy. So toolbox, our correct answer is toolbox. By which one can one computer look up information, watch cartoon, etc. to another computer? So option number A, mobile phone, B, internet, C, fax, and D, TV. So dear learners, do you know by which one can computer look up information, watch cartoon, etc. to another computer? Yes, over the internet. To save drawing, we have to click open, new, start, save. So what is the question? To save drawing. So we have our correct option, save. If you want to open a drawing already present in Tux Paint, you have to use which tool? So if you want to open, so you have to, that is our keyword, which to open. So there are four options is given below. So save, open, extract and discard. So open. Dear learners, do you know that is two word meaning? I think that two word new word, but that is no our correct option, but this is two new words. Extract, that means remove, and discard, that means reject. So our correct option is open. Logo means language, device, program, all of this. Logo means language. Which one is search engine? Google, computer, internet, none of this. This is so simple question. So our correct option is Google, computer, internet, none of this. Correct is Google. Google is only search engine. Over the internet, non-computer can send messages to another computer. These messages are called email, Bing, SMS, all of this. That is email. So logo language is developed to teach children. Option A, children. B, women. C, adult. D, none of this. So we find our answer, option number A, children. So dear learners, I would like to your homework, you will homework 21 MCQ 21 to 30. That is our homework, and don't forget to write lecture number 16, homework number 14. Okay dear learners, keep practicing at your home, and thank you for all for being with me.